Another one of our really good sellers is the Crystal Grid Kit, complete in this nice package, great for if you're going to teach a class on crystal gridding, but even if you're not, the Crystal Grid Kit suggests some themes for building a grid. There are many different shapes that you can take to build your grid from. Plus, we tell you in here what each grid archetype energy is. So for example, if you're looking for protection, you might want to use the triangle grid. In addition to that, we offer some suggestions if you want to add color to your grid because your grids aren't clear. And we also offer some visual aids on building grids to help people see how you actually build a grid. Also, in case you don't want the Crystal Grid Kit, you can also try the Mini Crystal Grid Kit, which are all these grids combined. They're not together like this on plastic. All these grids in one little package. Great for the person that's just new at the grid kit practicing. So whether you choose the Mini Crystal Grid or the Crystal Grid Kit, great for your customers that want to build grids right away.